Alright. Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be hunting birds. He's gonna be the one filming, so he's only 5, I'm 7. But
We're gonna be hunting tweezers.
It's on him. He hits one. Yep. And guys, we may be good at poppletons, but
My poppletons.
yeah.
fire. I think I hit one.
Huh?
I don't know if I hit one.
Is the fence off? Hayden?
Oh! A bass just jumped and ate a fish. I just seen a little bass that jumped. Guys, there's just a bass that jumped right there. And ate it. It ate. Oh, there's a bass right there.
Where?
That's the same exact bass right there. See him?
No.
When we shoot him?
Yeah, shoot him.
Here, hold the camera.
Shoot him, then go get him.
Oh, I missed him.
Where is he?
Anyway, that bass jumped up and ate a dragonfly.
Yes, that was crazy.
Look at that huge snapper.
You hit him?
No. See him?
Yeah, I see him.
Holy, that thing could eat you, Braxton.
Yeah, big old snapper.
Oh, I barely missed him.
That could eat me. That could even eat me.
Probably.
Probably.
He's an idiot. You don't know what he's talking about. So.
A snapping turtle. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Some birds
You know what I'm talking about. Hit one. He did hit one.
In the winter, we're gonna be sitting. Me and him. He can come over and stay the night with me. Me and him are gonna be sitting right here. With
Hunting
a
for
gun.
Tweety birds. Like
gonna be
right
sitting
there.
They're gonna be right. They can even come like right here. Bust him. It's right at the end of my barrel. So,
Yeah.
that's what we're gonna do in the winter.
Yeah.
And I got a couple spots for in the winter. I got over there in the corn patch, right here, and over there where the cows are at.
Yeah.
Where the corn patch and stuff is. So,
We might be hunting Tweety birds right now. I don't know. We might. Dude, what did you hit? What did you see?
there's a bluegill. Yeah, I missed it.
Shoot him. Hayden, shoot him and go get him. Did you hit him?
Oh.
What? Did you hit him? Hayden, throw the cast net out. I think you hit him.
I hit him.
You hit him?
I think I hit him. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Camera it on me.
Yeah, it's on.
And camera it on me. Too. Why do I have to be just walking around doing stuff?
Well, we're gonna.
What? Huh? Huh?
There's normally birds up here.
And I wish there was one like right here where I could like do that. And when are we gonna go catch
There's a big old bat. There's a bat.
a bass? Where is he? And don't shoot.
I think I hit him. I shot at him. Here he is. See him?
No.
I missed him. Why? Why even am I shooting at these things? I had to hit him.
Why?
Here, come on. Go. Nothing better than making a YouTube video on a summer day.
Yeah.
That's my buddy Brax.
It just started.
Summer?
Yeah, summer just started. So, yeah.
It didn't. It started a couple.
Well,
It started a while back.
you and you're gonna be netting around.
Here, go get the net. Go get the net. Go up there where the poles are at and get the net. No, I mean like the big black ones. Coming. I'm just gonna look at everything. Brax, let's go. Me too. Cut it. And we're gonna let that film right here. And I'm gonna show you. Here's the pole pond, but we think there's chlorine or something in here.
Heston keeps using these crawdads for bait in here.
Well, we started the pole pond in there, but Brax, let's go up here and try to get us a net. Let's go get us a net. My mom's in the pool right now. Courtney's in the pool right now.
Huh?
Courtney's in the pool right now. Mommy, what's doing? Today, I don't know what this guy's doing, but Brax, come here. In my mom's car. Brax and look what me and Hessen found. Golf clubs. We even found a big expensive one. And we got those. Oh, I think the ones are on the
I don't need those.
I know. Me and Hessen just found them in a burn pit.
gonna be a long walk to. What?
Let's go in the shed and get a pole.
We're gonna go in the barn and get us a net.
And
So.
a fishing pole.
No, we're gonna go net crawdads
Oh, yeah.
and
And
stuff.
baby back and stuff.
Yeah, so we're trying to catch, fish and stuff.
And the camera on me.
Here's, yeah, but we're not using those. Here's the guineas.
You didn't see.
Guineas?
I will hold it.
No.
You said maybe here in a little bit.
Sure, you can hold one. Hold the camera.
He's catching me. Look at that. Chicken.
Okay, we're not gonna hold one.
In the bucket.
Get the bucket. We're gonna sit out. Here, get the net, and I'll get this trap. We're gonna set out a trap.
What? Is that a fish trap?
Yeah, put a fish trap.
We need bait.
No, we don't.
No, I'm gonna catch a fish. Count bait.
We're just gonna let them crawl in.
Farmers are the worst, really.
We need bait. Come on, we'll go get bait.
To the hall.
Ha!
I set out fish traps all the time. If I got a big old bullhead out, the traps would not hit.
This is pretty much like a crawdad trap. This is a crawdad trap, big old black crawdad trap. You can tell we've been using it a couple times. His mom's on the way, so here. You wanna go net some? We don't need no bait. Come on, Brax, let's hurry. Let's hurry. Let's hurry so we can actually. Oh, we gotta run.
Where we gonna set the trap at?
Right here.
Right there? Fill that.
Here,
Bucket up
here.
with water.
You fill the bucket up with water.
No, you. I want to do the one. Hidden minnows. Hayden, I saw something jumping. Hayden, I saw something jumping.
You jump.
Yes.
Something jump. Oh, it's a frog.
Huh?
It's a frog.
Oh.
Huh? There was? What did I catch? There's something in my shoe.
What is in your shoe?
There's a tadpole in my shoe. It was on my foot. I caught some with my bare feet. Felt like I knew the tadpole.
What else did you catch?
Okay. There's something swimming around in my net.
Hayden is going to be fishing here in a minute. So Hayden, you want to be done making a YouTube video? Do you, Hayden?
Did you stop the camera?
Well,
Be done doing it.